Why do 90% of lost cats make their way back home? It's like magic, right? But there's actually a science to it. Cats have this amazing ability called a homing instinct. They use Earth's magnetic field and their super sharp senses to navigate. Imagine having a built-in GPS. When a cat gets lost, it touches this magnetic map, and wow! Experts believe it's a mix of their acute sense of smell, sight, and even the Earth's magnetic field. Incredible, huh? But remember, this homing instinct isn't foolproof. While many cats make it back on their own, some might need a little help. So next time your kitty strolls in after an unexpected adventure, just know they're little navigational geniuses. Keep your fur babies safe and give them lots of love. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mike TV for more cool cat facts.